This is Arkneil Gaming and I'll be getting Popol's new skin, Proto Hunter, from the Dino Adventure event. And also, I will be getting his painted skin. All you need is 65,000 total fossil coins. And I have 70k. So that's overly enough. So first I'll be getting the Proto Hunter skin. This one is color gold, and this my 572nd skin. You need this in order to unlock the painted skin, which costs 25,000. The Popol skin costs 40,000, so you need 65,000 total. So this is the Proto Stalker skin, and it's color red. I like this red better. So this is my 573rd skin. Is that correct? 573 skin. 573rd. That's correct. On my second account. So if you still want this All-Star Nostalgic Selection chest, you have to farm 69,999 or almost 70k fossil coins. So the event is still running for 10 days. I'm not sure if I'll be able to accumulate 70k during this time. But if you don't have any of these skins, this is also a good option, guys. So that's it, guys. Did you already get it? If you cannot afford this, you can still buy this Charisma Missile gift for increasing charisma, and also this spray paint and surprise pack, and this limited time all-star elimination effect, which is not worth it for me because I don't like limited time rewards. Anyways, that's it, guys. You already get both of the skins. If you played every day, you should be getting it already a few days ago. So good luck, guys, on your grind. Just play every day, 3 times a day, and if you can, you should complete all this surprise task and use a lot of dice so you can get more dice. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.